Next is angle constraint. For that I select start mechanical design, assembly design, export components, product 1. I select this plate, select open, again select existing component, select product 1, this plate, open. This is a sign of angle constraint. First of all, I select this component, manipulate this direction, OK. I select this component and fixed. Now we have to maintain some angle between these faces. So this is the angle constraint. I select this face and this face. Say here angle, I type here 45 degree. Select OK. Select update. See here, this is the 45 degree angle between these both faces. This is the angle constraint. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Constrain Ccad.